bass drum beating way down deep in your chest. If I could be the voice on your radio, then I could be your long ride home.
Ever since Brianna boldly reached out to Devin on Instagram, and he walked through that front door for the first time to officially meet, they've been each other's person. Whether it be hanging out with their good friends or spending quiet time at home, they are always together, which is why we're here today, which is to witness their wedding.
Standing here, watching you, turning every head in this crowded room. The lights down low, dancing slow. Oh, if falling's how you feel, and perfect's what you see, then I'd be what you mean to me.
Devin, I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to always put you first, and I promise to do everything I can to make your days easier, never harder. I will be there for you in all seasons of life as we navigate the unknown together. I promise to be your best friend, and I promise to continue to cherish every moment we have together on this earth. Thank you for blessing me with a beautiful life, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my days with you as your wife. I love you.
Bree, here we are after nearly 3.5 years of love. I am so excited that we now have created a home together to continue making memories in a place that is uniquely ours. Today, I stand here with you full of love and gratitude. I promise to be your #1 supporter, always be by your side, and to always cheer you on. You're my partner and my best friend, Bree. I love you.
And oh, all of this talking makes you laugh, but I've gotta let you know just how I feel while I'm
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, commitment to you.
turning every head in this crowded room.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
Oh, if falling's how you feel, and perfect's what you see, then I'd be what you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Congratulations.
Yeah, falling's how you feel, and perfect's what you see, then I'd be what you mean to me. Be what you mean.